everybody, hope you're doing well. This is Shweta. Welcome to day 5 of German Silver Fest, a class by itself. In today's video, I'm going to take you through beautiful return gift combos that we have curated specifically for this fest. We have 8 different combos that we have curated, and all these come in the price range starting 300 going up to 600. We have carefully curated these, keeping in mind the utility and also something that you can use on an ongoing basis. These are perfect to be owned for yourself or also a great gift option to give it to somebody. Now let me take you through the products one by one. The first return gift combo comes as a pack of 4 products, starting with this beautiful Lakshmi Simhasan that comes with a rectangle base and Lakshmi embossing at the back. Looks extremely elegant and a very unique piece indeed. We have paired this along with 2 Lakshmi diyas that comes with Lakshmi embossing and beautiful floral engraving on the side and in the bottom. And we have added our most hit product, the Lakshmi Madam, that comes with green leaves. This set of 4 return gift combo number 1 is priced at 429. Presenting return gift combo number 2 that comes with a photo frame of Lakshmi Ganesha. This comes with pure silver sheet and is perfect to be used on an ongoing basis. We have paired this along with 2 Kuber floral diya that comes with floral base from the outside and Kuber diya from the inside. And we have added a beautiful traditional kumkum holder that comes with very subtle engraving work all throughout. This set of 4 combo number 2 is priced at 549. Here is combo number 3, where we have included a beautiful Lakshmi frame that comes in acrylic. This comes in pure silver and is perfect to be placed even at the dash of your car. We have paired this along with a beautiful Haldi Kumkum holder that comes with heart and shape from the outside, and have also included a simple yet elegant agarbatti stand. This set of 3 combo is priced at 449. Next is combo number 4, where we have included a very beautiful and a cute little Gajalakshmi diya that comes with floral base from the outside. We have included a pair of this, and then we have also included a prasadam bowl to offer anything in front of God, and then a beautiful kumkum holder that comes in square shape. All this comes in German silver finish and looks extremely classy, but yet can be used on a regular basis. This set of 4 pieces is priced at 329. As part of German Silver Fest, we are excited to offer flat 7% discount on our entire product curation of German Silver. You can go ahead and order online at www.wedtree.com. We also have an exclusive display set up at our store located at Thanikachalam Road, T.nagar, Chennai. And not just that, if you are ordering products which are of German silver more than 5,000 rupees, you will get a free gift along with that. We also offer 3-hour delivery to all the residents who are within 10-kilometer radius from our T.nagar, Chennai store. And also we're working on instant dispatch for all the German silver products that have been included in this fest. Presenting combo number 6 that has only diya. This comes as a set of 2 elephant Kuber diya with Kuber diya on the top resting on an elephant. This comes with hexagonal base and looks extremely classy and unique. This is perfect to be put on the side of any idol and can be used on an ongoing basis. This set of 2 diya is priced at 321. Presenting combo number 7 that comes with Kuber diya and floral pattern on the outside. This is very popular product of ours, and a pack like this is definitely something that one should own. This set of 8 Kuber diya is priced at 351. Here is combo number 8. This comes with beautiful 2 Lakshmi diya with floral engraving pattern from the outside. This looks again very classy and looks exactly like silver. This set of 2 Lakshmi diya is priced at 411. I just showed you 8 different return gift combos that we had curated specifically for you as part of the German Silver Fest. Let me know your feedback and I'll be very eager to review the same. Also, as part of tomorrow's video, I will be showcasing different types of urlis that we have in German silver. We have urlis that come in both plain finish and antique finish. Thank you for watching this video. Revel in the joy of gifting to yourself and to your loved ones.